Huh? Sliding a bit, yeah. You can feel it slipping?
Very slightly, just be careful. Don't worry, it's a long way down.
You're a crack. Surely this is dumb, isn't it?
Huh?
Is this not stupid?
There's a dog.
But in general?
You're halfway. What can happen to you?
Die. I definitely sat on that rock, so the path is here.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah. Oi. Oi. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all well. It's actually the next day now from that video. I did want to sit down and have a little chat when I got back from that walk. But what's the matter? But it was so late and I was knackered because somebody here absolutely ran me ragged. What are you looking at? Yeah, so I didn't bother. But here we are. Yeah, just giving you a little update. I'm going to try and keep the camera on me now. I wanted to film more yesterday, but I had to stop filming and put the camera away because this little man kept pulling me over. What's the matter? And then the camera would have been, it took a couple of blows and it landed in the snow at one point. So I just thought I'd put it away and leave it, it's not worth it. He's been doing really well, but the snow just sends him daft. He nearly pulled me off the mountain, actually, which was a bit scary. Well, he nearly pulled me down a slope. He's doing really well, the training's going good. The only issue I've still got to address is he's got a bit of a problem with the dogs, which is a pain in the arse, but I don't think it's real aggression, it's just overexcitement. What's up, big boy? Hey? He just gets himself all worked up. But I think that's come from the dog's home. When I first went there, had Bolsky with me, and they like touched noses in the fence, and it was fine. But then when I went to pick him up, he started having some problems. So he's obviously just learnt it from all the other dogs in there, you know, them barking at other dogs and going mad all the time. So I've got to wait for when Marie comes back out with Bolsky. Should be able to train that out of him, hopefully. I've not really been able to do it yet because, you know, you can't just do it with random people because it's like he's a big dog, and seeing him barking at you and stuff, it's not exactly great, is it? So, but yeah, when we can do it in a controlled environment, it should be a lot better. But yeah, so where we're at is fingers crossed, everything going well. Marie will be back here by beginning of next week, hopefully. Pretty much got everything for her van, just need a few more bits and bobs, and then she'll be heading down. Calm yourself down. It's so big and bolshy. It's funny. Once she gets those bits, just waiting for some parcels and things, then she's good to go, pretty much. A little update where we are. I'm staying here for... I'm up at the tour at the minute. I've barely been working at all, because obviously I've had to, you know, sort him out and just take a week or two to sort of bond with him, because he needs to trust me. I can't, you know, I didn't want to get him and then on day 2 just leave him for hours while I'm at work, that kind of thing. So I think it's worked out pretty well. He seems to be doing good. He's actually going to the vets tomorrow to get his knackers chopped, because he's got one. His balls aren't right, so they recommended that we just get him off. So doing that, and they're setting up his pet passport thing at the same time as well. So, because at the minute, obviously, if I needed to go to England for whatever reason, I can't, because I can't travel with him. So I've got to get the passport sorted out, and then it should be all good. Yeah, it's going well. It's been a learning curve. It's been tough. It's getting easier. Getting a lot easier now. The first week was hard. A lot of tough love had to happen because he was what he was trying to do is take over. He was trying to dominate me, kind of thing. And if I'd have let him, then life would be hell. So I've had to stand up to him. Hey, pack it up. I've had to stand up to him and show him who's boss a little bit. But, you know, that's part of having a big dog. Just had to take a phone call halfway through that. Messed me up a bit where I was. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to try and keep the camera rolling again now. I need to do it because it's really pissing me off not filming. So I'll do my best. Gives me a purpose, making a video every day, even if it's only short. It's something to do. So I shall keep you updated on everything that's going on. Alright, catch you all later.